Hello everybody. Today we are talking about matter changes. Okay, imagine you have a cube of ice in your hand. This cube, it begins to melt. Then we have this water. We put this water into a heater. The water begins to evaporate. The steam is in the air. Okay, the question here is the water disappear? Is the cube of ice disappear? The answer is no, it's not disappear, but it convert from one form to another. This is called a chemical changes and physical changes, matter changes. Okay. Before we study the matter changes, we should remember what is the matter. The matter is anything that has a mass and volume. Like you have mass and volume, so you are a matter. School, paper, okay, everything around us has mass and volume. It is called matter. Okay. Let's remember the states of matter. We have 3 states of matter: liquid and solid and gas. Number 1, solid, like this. This is a solid, this is a solid matter. The solid matter has the definite shape and definite volume. I can't change this shape or this volume. This is the solid matter. Like ice cube, this is a solid matter. Like watch, this is a solid matter. Okay, the liquid matter. The liquid matter, like the water, the milk, oil. Water has definite volume, but take the shape of the container. You see, the water here take the shape of the glass. Okay, when we put this water into that container, they take the shape of the other container. So the liquid hasn't definite shape, it's changed shape according to the container. Number 3, the gas. The gas around us, air around us, it hasn't definite shape or volume. It hasn't definite shape and it hasn't definite volume. Okay, these are 3 states of matter. Now let's go to find out the types of matter changes. We have 2 main types of matter changes: physical changes and chemical changes. Number 1, physical changes. Physical changes like this. I have paper. Okay, I will cut this paper into pieces. The question is that paper changes into new substance? Is that a new substance or still paper? It's still paper. Okay, so physically change, form it a new substance or not? No, it doesn't create a new substance. Number 1, physical change not created a new substance. Question number 2. If I collect these pieces together, is that paper return the same as it was before? Yeah, I can collect this and I can get the paper as it was before. So, this change are reversible or irreversible? This change is reversible. I can get back the paper. So, what is the physical change? The physical change is doesn't create a new substance and it can be reversed. Examples like melting ice, ice melt, and after the ice melt, I can get back the ice by freezing. So it can be reversed. Boiling water, I can boil the water and again I can condense it, the water vapor, and I can get back the water. Cutting paper like this, dissolving sugar in tea, all of these are physical changes. Now, we talk about chemical changes. Chemical changes like what? If I burned this paper, after burning, is paper still paper or you have a new substance? No, you have a new substance because this paper become ash. It's not paper. Okay, so chemical change, is that a new substance or not? Yes, it is a new substance because the paper turned into ash. The question number 2, is the ash, can I collect the ash and get back the paper as the same it was before? No, I can't do that. So it's a chemical change. So chemical change, it creates a new substance and it cannot be reserved. Okay, example, burning wood, rusting iron, baking a cake. Burning wood, if the wood is burned, can you get back the wood the same it was before? No, I can't. So it's chemical change. It gives me a new substance. It creates a new substance. So you can't. It is a chemical change. Rusting iron. If the iron is rusting iron means that the iron reacts with oxygen. So it creates a new substance. The iron not be ironed. The new substance, okay? Baking a cake. We have ingredients, put them on each other. We baking a cake. After baking a cake, we don't know how to reverse a cake or the ingredients. Okay, this is a chemical changes. So, what is the difference between physical change and chemical change? You have to ask yourself 2 questions. The question number 1, is that change create a new substance or not? This is the question number 1. If it's a create new substance, so it's a chemical change. If the answer is not create or doesn't create a new substance, so the answer is physical change. The question number 2, is that change reversed or not? It is reversible or irreversible? If it's reversible, so it's physical change, like melting ice. If can't be reversed, so it's chemical change, like burning paper. Let's test your understanding. Watch this experiment and decide whether chemical or physical change. Okay, we have table salt. We put this table salt into water and dissolving a salt into water. Okay, I want to ask you, is that chemical change or physical change? Okay, think and test your understanding. Okay, It is a physical change. It is a physical change. Okay. Any dissolving, it is physical change. Let's do the second experiment. We have baking soda and vinegar. We put it into here. Like, what is that? It is a chemical change. Why it is a chemical change? Like, see the bubbles. Can you see the bubbles? The bubbles is carbon dioxide. That's carbon dioxide. That's a new substance. That's a new substance. Okay? So, think it's a chemical change. So, dissolving the salt or sugar or any substance in water, it is a physical change because it is not create a new substance. But here, create a new substance like carbon dioxide, the bubbles. Okay. Think with me. What is relation between matter changes and the life? Think about the usage of the chemical change and the physical change in our life. What are these?